Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're doing episode 2 of checking out your solar systems because another one of you sent in a solar system for us to check out today, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So this system is from Nathan Universe, or he sent it to me on his second account, and he said it's called the Z system, so Z-E-D, so Z system. I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but as you know, my pronunciation's pretty garbage, so it should be in my custom simulation list here. I've not looked at the system yet, so alright, here it is. Okay, it's right there. But one more thing before we get started though is I was sent a custom Uranus, another custom Uranus from some dumb gamer, so we're going to check that out. So I think it's this one here, and wow, that is actually looking pretty cool. So yeah, he just sent it to me in yesterday's, or in the last the last video. So this is what he sent. So let's look at this. Oh wow, that actually does it pretty cool. Yeah, anyways, there's just a quick look at a new custom Uranus. What do you guys think of that? Should I replace my current one with it or not? Because yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you. There's my custom Uranus, and then there's the original Uranus. So should we use this as our new Uranus? Like, should I replace it as the main Uranus in my custom solar system? Let me know down below. But anyways, enough of that. We're going to go and check out this solar system. So let's begin here. So yeah, remember, all credit goes to the guy who made this system. I didn't make this, as I've already mentioned. Yeah, this is made by Nathan Universe. So yeah, we're going to get into this. So let's see. So what have we got here? Oh, this is quite a big system. Wow, okay. So let's just quickly check the furthest object out. So it's just a asteroid, as we can see. So this system is 1,353 AU, pretty much. So it's around that size. So this is quite big. A lot bigger than the previous solar system we checked out from one of you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out what we got here. So we got ZA. So this is the main star. So looks like a white main sequence star, a little bigger than the sun in mass, a little bigger in radius as well. It looks like double the luminosity. It's got 2 luminosity as suns. So let's go ahead and quickly check the size comparison to the sun here. So sun, yeah, so actually it's quite a lot bigger than the sun, actually, as you can see there. Looks a little similar to, where is it? Is it this one? No, that's actually a little too big. I think it's Sirius. Oh, it's even bigger than Sirius. All right. Is it Regulus? Yeah, it's similar to Regulus. That's the one I was looking for. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, let's see what we got next. Okay, so first planet here. Ooh, okay. So ZB. So it's like a Mars sort of planet, looking good with like the red, the pink. I do like it when the pink. We use pink in objects because I think pink goes really well sometimes with other colours. So we've got like a pink, red, and red, pink, and white shade there. So that's looking pretty cool. So this is the closest object. So similar to Mercury in temperature and size, it looks like. So yeah, we'll compare it to Mercury, as you can see there. So a little bigger than Mercury, though. It's more of a Mars sort of object. But yeah, it's similar colours as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, similar radius and all that. So yeah, there's our first object. So then it looked like it had did it have a Mars trail? That does look a little like a Mars trail, but it looks like these two here also Mars trails, are they? Yeah, look, they do look similar to the colour of Mars. So yeah, this one definitely isn't a Mars. As you can see, there's no climate mode there. Let's see what the next one has in store for us. So this is a small little asteroid. Oh, no, it's orbiting a planet as well. So ZC. So yeah, I can tell this was a Mars because you can tell by the trail colour and the atmosphere there. But I'm really liking the red and pink sort of colour scheme going down here. This is pretty cool. I do like this. So yeah, we've got two, white of high and mid elevation. Then we've got like a red pink coloured low elevation with the Mars pink atmosphere, which is pretty cool. So climate mode is enabled on here. And it's pretty chilly here, as you can see. It's like minus 112 degrees. So yeah, there's that. Then it's obviously got one little asteroid moon as well, as you can see there. Quite close to the planet as well. That's pretty close. I think Mars's moons, I'm pretty sure they're not as close to Mars as this moon is to this planet, which is pretty cool. So yeah, we've got ZC here. So that's looking good. I do like this though. This is cool. And then it's mostly all silicate. Let's actually quickly check composition of the first one. That's got a bit of iron, bit of silicate as well. So yeah, alright. So there's the second planet. So now we're going to look at the third one. So this is also based off of a Mars, it looks like, due to the atmosphere colour. So there we go. Oh, it looks like it's frozen over. Maybe this object needs to melt, maybe? Let's speed up time as well. Just see if it melts. We'll put it to 0 degrees. Is this a cold planet? Okay, it's meant to be cold. Okay. Just wondering in case sometimes when you load simulations up, the planets are frozen. So yeah. So we've got another Mars. So this is a frozen ice ocean, or frozen ice. I wouldn't really call it an ocean. More of a lake. Frozen icy lake sort of planet. As you can see, there's some clouds as well. They'll go away as it gets colder. But yeah, there's that. So it's also going with red as the high elevation, then we've got mid and low elevation as white, and then we've got like a sandy sort of tan yellow colour there. So that's looking cool. I actually really like the colour of this. This is a cool scheme, actually. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's just view it without the atmosphere. What does it look like? So that's it without the atmosphere. That is a very cool colour scheme. I like that. It's pretty unique. That's cool. I like that. So yeah, so there's that. So that's looking really cool, actually. Let's see the climate mode. Does that do anything? Not really. Let's just turn that off. So yeah, that's looking good. And it's also got a 2-aid moon. So yeah, we've seen some of these names before in the random object spawn. So this reminds me of Pluto's moon Charon a bit, actually. Let's just get a quick comparison of it. Let's just pause. So Charon, where are you at? Where is it? There it is. So it looks a little similar in colour, I guess, but it's not completely the same. But yeah, there's that. So yeah, I like that. That is a pretty cool colour scheme as well. So we're using a more of a brown colour here. Not many times, or I don't use brown much in my custom objects and in the custom objects creation videos. So yeah, brown is a cool colour to go with. Yeah, so there is that. Well, actually, next custom objects episode, I'm going to make some updates to some of the existing objects, actually, because I want to make a new Trace 2B, because that is the darkest planet. And now we have a black gas giant, we can actually make that. So yeah, that would be pretty cool. So yeah, there is that. So let's zoom out again. So let's go to the next objects. This is, oh, we've got a gas giant here. So ZEG1. So I'm guessing that means gas 1, maybe. So let's go ahead and zoom in on this guy here. Oh, a lot of cool moons here. So this is pretty cool. So how large is this? So a little smaller than Saturn, it looks like. Let's just get a comparison. Yeah, a little smaller than Saturn. It's definitely bigger than Uranus, though. Yeah, there you go. It's a little similar to, where is it? Let me try and find it here. Where is it? It's called EP. Where is it? Yeah, this one here. So Epsilon in N. I can never pronounce this one, but it's a little similar in size to this. That was actually the original template for my custom Uranus. So if we are going to get a new custom Uranus, then we still have this old texture for this specific object. So yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, we got that. So that's looking good. Alright, so then we've got some moons here. So a very small little moon here, 21 kilometers in radius. So there's the first moon. We've got the next moon out here as well. So that's also, there's its structure. Next moon out here, more of a water ice moon. Still a little asteroid rock. A little bigger than the previous one though. So there you go. So that's cool. Oh, I'm using a custom background as well. That's pretty cool as well. I used to use this in my custom object maker background. I don't know. Do I still use it? I can't remember. Yeah, so then there's another moon here, which is also relatively small in radius. Sorry. So there is that. Okay, so what we got next? So we've got a moon a lot further out here, and this is actually large enough to be a proper object. So yeah, a round sphere object going with a blue colour scheme. Very nice. Yeah, blue and white is also a nice scheme to go with. Yeah, but there, look at that. That's looking good, and it goes with the background, I guess, as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, there we go. There is that. So if we zoom out here, zoom all the way out. Let's see what we got next. So next we've got another. Oh, we've got a little minor sphere object here. So this is like the little size just before becoming like a little asteroid. So is this Phobos or Deimos maybe? Is this one of Mars's moons? Because yeah, there's only so many of these little moon textures. So is it one of these guys? Oh no, these are way too small. Maybe it's one of these textures. I just want to see if we can find which texture. Wait, it's either that or Mimas or Enceladus, but I really doubt it's one of them because these guys, yeah, that's completely different. And it's not Enceladus either. What moon is this based off of? I'm interested to know. Yeah, because little objects like this, they don't have like, yeah, this is so small as you can see. This has to be based off an object. It's not Phobos. It's not any of Mars's moons. What did you base this off? I'm interested to know. What was this originally? I'm interested to know. Yeah, it wasn't an Earth or anything, or a Mars. What was this? Yeah, please let me know. I want to know what the object this was, because it's like one of these little moons. Because if it was a normal sized object, in the menu it would appear as a larger object, as you can see here. So in this section here, it's a lot larger. But if you go in this, look, it's a lot smaller. Then usually if you make these guys around the 2, 3, so somewhere around that size, see, it also makes it into this like miniature size moon, but it still has its texture. So that's pretty weird. What is this based off? Please let me know. I want to know what this moon originally, or this object originally was, sorry. Yeah, what was this? Because I can't think of any. The only objects I know of the little mini textures are Tethys, or not Tethys, sorry, Mimas and Enceladus, and then Mars's moons. What was this based off of? Because it's definitely not one of these asteroids, because if you make one of these, about 230 in radius. It just makes it all blacked out, like all like no texture at all. So this definitely was based off something. It's not a random spawn, because random spawns of that size only give you these. So please let me know what that is. I'm interested to know what that was originally. So yeah, tell me, please. I'm interested to know. Yeah. So alright. Anyways, next up we've got another small minor moon, as we can see here. But in comparison to the main object here, it's not that small, because this thing is also very small. Anyways, then we've got another one called Lust. So yeah, also in the relatively similar size to all of the previous asteroids we've seen. So there is that. So let's go ahead and zoom out again. So what we got next? So, oh, massive distance here. So we've got planet Uri. Oh, another gas giant. Okay, cool. So this is slightly larger than Uranus and Neptune. Completely dark here as well. So that's pretty interesting. Let's just quickly check the habitable zone here. How big is this star's disk? Okay, so it's all the way in here. So yeah, there's that. But how far away is this planet then? 8 AU. Okay, that's Saturn distance, I think. Around the distance of Saturn. This is 3. So this is closer than Jupiter is. So that's around Ceres' sort of distance, I think. Yeah, and then this guy, 26. This is like the distance of Neptune on its semi-major axis. So yeah, that goes out pretty far. So obviously at some points it's closer than others, since it's got a pretty inclined orbit like that. Or pretty eccentric orbit. Yeah, this thing here, eccentric. I can never pronounce it. So yeah, that option there, it's got quite a high value on that, as you can see. So yeah, there's that. But then this guy is really far away, 2,000 years. So yeah, this is definitely a lot further away than Neptune is. So it's in complete darkness. But let's just get a look at it. So it's a nice ice giant. That's actually a pretty cool color for an ice giant. I like that. That's actually a really cool color. And I'm guessing this was a random spawn as well. So not bad. That's a pretty nice colour. The nice blue and white. Half blue, half white object. That's nice. I like that. And it's been flipped on its side, because this is the north, because that's the way it came up in the menu, and then that's the south. So this object has its south pointing upwards. So obviously in the past, this planet was obviously hit by something to make it go like that. So pretty cool. So anyways, what we got next? So we've got 3 more little systems to check out. So we've got this guy. Oh, actually 4 more. There's one down there as well. So here we have another little asteroid. Anything around it? Okay, it's just a poor little lonely asteroid just chilling out here in complete darkness as well. So yeah, there you go. There is that. Look how far away the star is. Let me just turn all this off. There's the star there. Very far away. It's literally the size of any other star in the night sky. So very, very far away. Yeah, so there is that. Okay, what we got next? So, oh, no, not that. That's the wrong menu. So if we just zoom out here. Let's go again. So here is the next one. So if we zoom in here, just another one of these tiny little asteroids. So yeah, there you go. And then, oh, no, stop going into that. Sorry, excuse me there. Stop going into that menu. Damn it. Right, so if we zoom out again, let's see. So I'm guessing that, yeah, the last of these are all just little asteroids. But I will zoom in on them in case we're missing anything. Maybe there's like a little object orbiting it or anything like that. So yeah, okay, that's just another asteroid. And I'm guessing the very last object is all the way out there. Pretty interesting name choices. ZS887. Did you think these like names, or are these like random? I don't know. These are definitely not random. Yeah, these are custom. Pretty cool name choices. I like that. The numbers are always pretty cool when you do that. Makes it seem almost realistic with the numbers. Because, yeah, most objects we find, we just name with numbers, don't we? So, yeah, there's that. And then go all the way down here. Got another one of these. Or most solar system objects that we discover these days usually just have numbers and stuff like that. So, yeah, there you go. But even when we find, like, Kepler planets, they still have, like, numbers after them. So, yeah, there we go. There is the whole Z system. So, let's get a lineup of all the objects here in a big comparison. So, the star pretty much dwarfs everything. Then we've got our 2 gas giants. I really do like that gas giant there. That's probably the better out of the 2 giants for colours, I'd say. So that's a very nice object. And then out of the rocky planets, I definitely think this one here, yeah, ZD, this is my favourite out of all of the rocky ones, I have to say. I really do like that colour scheme. If we just do this quickly. Even without the atmosphere, it actually looks pretty cool. And then, obviously, with the atmosphere and clouds back, it really looks really cool. That's my favourite rocky planet. So, yeah, this system has 4 rocky planets. Oh, no, that's a moon, actually. 2A is a moon. So, no, 3 planets. Oh, no, yeah, 3 planets, because these are all moons, aren't they? And then, also, you got this object here, which I do not know what it was originally based on. So, please let me know what this moon originally, or whatever this object was, because It's not Mimas, it's not Tethys, it's not one of the Mars's moons. What was this? Anyone know? Like, I don't know. Yeah, please let me know on that. And then obviously we've got all of the little asteroids at the bottom here. So, yeah, there we go. That is the Z system. So, yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments. Just to see what you have to say about this system. Because it's pretty cool. I like it. It's a very large system as well. Got some pretty cool orbit shapes and stuff. Very vast spread out. But I really do like the choice of the Mars atmosphere in the inner solar systems. Or the inner area here. This is pretty cool. So, yeah, thumbs up from me. This is cool. So, yeah, there we go. There is that solar system. So, yeah, hopefully you guys all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you did hit that like button, subscribe for more. If you've got any more comments or not comments, but any more solar systems you want to send in, then just send a link and I'll check it out. And also, thanks for sending this system in. So, yeah, thanks to Nathan Universe for sending this in because, yeah, this is pretty cool. And if you've got any more systems to send in, then just let me know and I'll do an episode on it. So, yeah, there we go. What do you guys think of that? But yeah, and also one more thing. Remember, out of the Uranuses, should we keep it with my custom Uranus or should we use the new custom one which I've received? So let's just quickly get those guys in because this new one does look pretty cool. But yeah, so what do you guys think of this? I've got my old generic custom one which I spent a long time making, and then we got the modded in one here. So yeah, what do you guys think of that? Should we use this as the new custom Uranus because it does look pretty cool? So let's just zoom in here. Yeah, what do you guys think? So we use this Uranus or this one here? Yeah, let me know down below. I already know what choice I pick, so yeah, let me know down below. Yeah, please let me know down below because I'm interested to see what you got to say for that. So yeah, that is it for this episode, guys. So yeah, I've already said everything I need to say. So yeah, subscribe again. Why not? Yeah, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and have a great day. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're doing episode 2 of checking out your solar systems because another one of you sent in a solar system for us to check out today, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So this system is from Nathan Universe, or he sent it to me on his second account, and he said it's called the Z system, so Z-E-D, so Z system. I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but as you know, my pronunciation's pretty garbage, so it should be in my custom simulation list here. I've not looked at the system yet, so alright, here it is. Okay, it's right there. But one more thing before we get started though is I was sent a custom Uranus, another custom Uranus from some dumb gamer, so we're going to check that out. So I think it's this one here, and wow, that is actually looking pretty cool. So yeah, he just sent it to me in yesterday's, or in the last the last video. So this is what he sent. So let's look at this. Oh wow, that actually does it pretty cool. Yeah, anyways, there's just a quick look at a new custom Uranus. What do you guys think of that? Should I replace my current one with it or not? Because yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you. There's my custom Uranus, and then there's the original Uranus. So should we use this as our new Uranus? Like, should I replace it as the main Uranus in my custom solar system? Let me know down below. But anyways, enough of that. We're going to go and check out this solar system. So let's begin here. So yeah, remember, all credit goes to the guy who made this system. I didn't make this, as I've already mentioned. Yeah, this is made by Nathan Universe. So yeah, we're going to get into this. So let's see. So what have we got here? Oh, this is quite a big system. Wow, okay. So let's just quickly check the furthest object out. So it's just a asteroid, as we can see. So this system is 1,353 AU, pretty much. So it's around that size. So this is quite big. A lot bigger than the previous solar system we checked out from one of you guys. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and check out what we got here. So we got ZA. So this is the main star. So looks like a white main sequence star. A little bigger than the sun in mass. A little bigger in radius as well, it looks like. Double the luminosity. It's got 2 luminosity as suns. So let's go ahead and quickly check the size comparison to the sun here. So, sun. Yeah, so actually it's quite a lot bigger than the sun, actually, as you can see there. Looks a little similar to... Where is it? Is it this one? No, that's actually a little too big. I think it's Sirius. Oh, it's even bigger than Sirius. All right. Is it Regulus? Yeah, similar to Regulus. That's the one I was looking for. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, let's see what we got next. Okay, so first planet here. Ooh, okay. So ZB. So it's like a Mars sort of planet, looking good with like the red, the pink. I do like it when the pink. We use pink in objects because I think pink goes really well sometimes with other colours. So we've got like a pink, red, and red, pink, and white shade there. So that's looking pretty cool. So this is the closest object. So similar to Mercury in temperature and size, it looks like. So yeah, we'll compare it to Mercury, as you can see there. So a little bigger than Mercury, though. It's more of a Mars